Figma Style Unifier, best workflow for design system building. After finishing your first defining layout frames intuitively and innovatively, without using style presets, you can start to craft your unique design system with our Style Unifier plugin. In the end, your system will only have the styles you need. It will be highly effective to work on all subpages and future extensions of your layout. This also works and you kickstart your design process by using a layout or template that does not use a design system. Now let's have a look at how to best use Figma Style Unifier on your master layout frames. Set the scope to all frames and select a parameter. The best to start with is font size. Then hover over each value row. As you do so, the included elements are highlighted within your layout. Check for ones with low element counts or two similar values. To remove those unwanted similarities, you first have to join two or more value rows into a value group. You can do so by cutting and pasting a row above or below another value row and then setting their target value. You could now unify this group directly, but it is better to first do all your grouping and later unify them all at once. Another way of grouping multiple rows, especially when they are already consecutively, is to use the join with group below action. Once all groups and targets are set, you can easily unify them by clicking on the button, Unify all groups to their targets. Repeat that for each parameter. As soon as you have created a unified, dynamic and harmonic set of element values in each parameter, you can easily create your set of local styles. Return to the font size parameter. As now each row here, with all their internally connected font parameters, represents a style in your design system. In rare cases, you might want font styles that share the same font size, but have differing subparameters, to be different styles in your design system. For these cases we offer the function, split by differing parameter. We have a detailed description for this in the complete walkthrough tutorial. But we do not need it in this example. So to actually convert your font styles represented by the font size rows to become Figma local styles, you just need to click on the button, Create Styles from all rows. You will see them appear in the Local Styles panel, where you can give them your own naming convention. Creating styles from the colors in your layout is even easier. Check if you unified them enough, click Create Styles from all rows, rename them in the Color Styles panel, and you are done. Then connect your stroke colors to those new styles. Use our targeting system and you will see the local styles in the color picker. That way you can easily connect them with the value groups by using the button, Unify all groups to their targets. You made it. You distilled a unique design system out of a few frames, with only the styles you need. It is easily extendable and highly effective for all future work on your project. That and much more is Figma Style Unifier, Design System Builder and Linter. Get it now on HAYWOOD.tools and make your life easier and your projects better.